Welcome to my in-depth review of EasyMoney, a personal finance app designed to simplify money management and help users achieve their financial goals. EasyMoney offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including budgeting, expense tracking, and even investment analysis, all wrapped up in a sleek and intuitive interface. When you first log in, you're greeted with a personalized dashboard that gives a clear overview of your financial health, including current balances, recent transactions, and spending trends. One of the standout features is the budgeting tool, which allows users to set monthly spending limits for different categories, like groceries, entertainment, and bills. As you log expenses, EasyMoney automatically updates these categories, making it simple to see where you're overspending. I found the real-time notifications particularly useful. If you exceed your budget in any category, the app sends an alert, helping you stay on track. Another impressive feature is the Investment Insights tool. EasyMoney connects to your investment account and provides a clear breakdown of your portfolio, including asset allocation, performance metrics, and risk assessment. It even suggests ways to optimize your investments based on your financial goals. For those who like to plan ahead, the goal-setting feature is a game-changer. You can set savings goals for things like vacations, home purchases, or emergency funds. The app tracks your progress and offers tips to accelerate your savings. The security features are also worth mentioning. EasyMoney uses bank-level encryption to ensure that your financial data stays secure. It also offers multi-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Overall, my experience with EasyMoney has been highly positive. The app is user-friendly, packed with features, and genuinely helps in keeping your finances organized. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, EasyMoney has something to offer. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and financial tips.